Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Yes, misfires can be intermittent. Intermittent misfires can occur due to a variety of reasons such as faulty spark plugs, ignition coil issues, clogged fuel injectors, or intermittent electrical connections. These issues may not always be constant, leading to sporadic performance problems. Identifying and addressing the root cause of intermittent misfires is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance and longevity. Regular maintenance and diagnostic checks are key to preventing and fixing intermittent misfires.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.